Hello, my math scholars. So we want to just review again today about what we're doing with our math. You guys are going to work with me in a few minutes, but right now I want you to review this again on your own because some of us are still struggling a little bit, and that's okay. We're going to do this a couple times until we get it right. But this is our lesson 12 from Zearn, where we're adding tens to a two-digit number. So we're going to start by counting tens. Now we've been doing this for so long, guys, and I know that you can do it. You can grab your little 100 chart from your math box. You guys should have your math boxes out or in your desk for you. Make sure you have that. If you don't have it, you can pause the video and go ahead and get it. You can also count by tens with me on my screen. I'm going to pull up my hundreds chart, and we're going to start from 10 and count from 10 to 100. Ready? Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's see, write down that pattern. Goes right down, 10 to 100. They all have that zero in the ones place. All right, so we know how to do that. We've been doing that for a while, but it's a little bit harder when you have to start from any given number and count 10 more. So let's practice that again. Look at your chart. Maybe take out your marker and place it. We're going to all start right now with, let's start with the number 26. Here, I'll tell you what, I'll do a different color. So let's try yellow. All right, we're going to start at 26. So find 26 on your 100 chart. Count with me. Count on your chart. You ready? Let's go. So 10 more than 26. So 26. 10 more is 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96. See that? So see the pattern. So what's really cool about math is that we can see these patterns happening. So if we started at 44 and you wanted to do 10 more, you just go down 44. 10 more is, that's right, 54. You got it. 10 more than 54 is, oh my gosh, you guys are so smart. That is right, 64. And then 10 more than that, I know you know it now. 10 more, yes, 74, 84, 94. All right, so you guys can keep practicing that. It's fun to do with a friend as well if you want to quiz your friends, like going 10 more and 10 less. So remember, if you want to take out your cubes, or I'll tell you what, you guys have been really doing a great job with just writing your quick tens on your whiteboards. So if you have that out, again, if you need to pause me, get your whiteboard, make sure you're practicing, because I don't want you just looking and reading it, but making sure that you're doing this. So you know, if I say, show me 13, you can get your 10 stick and show me a 10 plus your 3 ones. Or how do we put that on our whiteboard? If you were to show me a quick 10, 10 and 3 ones. Remember, I'm going to do it, and then I want to see if you guys can do it. Get it? All right, hold it up. 10 and 3 ones. 1 10 and 3 ones is 13. That's right. 1 10, 3 ones. And we just did that quick 10. We don't have time to make all the cubes because remember, this isn't art class, this is math class. So we've got to get working. Pictures are a great way to solve our problems. And so now it's asking you to show 10 more. So 13, 10 more. So we're just going to add that quick 10. If you want to show it with your cubes, go ahead and put it out on your table and show it with your cubes as well. We've got our quick 10. And now I know 13 plus 10. That's that arrow way. They talk about that on Zearn, the arrow way. Did you show that other quick 10? So now you can count. Let's count. We always count with our 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. And also on your 100 chart, you would see 10 more than 13 is 23. So 13 plus 10 equals 23. All right. Good job, guys. Let's erase that real quick. Erase your board. Erase your board. Erase your board. Erase your board. All right, ready? I know we're going fast, but you guys can do it. So here we go. Let's try one more. Show me 15 with your linking cubes. Or 15 on the board. And then 5 more. There we go. 10 and 5 is 15. And we're going to erase that. And what I want you guys to do when you guys are working at your seats, you're going to come over to me. I want to make sure that you're working on your, that's not it, on your exit ticket. So you're going to bring it to me in a few minutes. I'm going to call you guys over, and I want to make sure you guys can remember how to show 2 10s. And I have a number on here. You're going to break it down, 110 plus 110. You're going to do that on your own and then count our 10s here. So you